You see? So they have buses like this. You see, just imagine these buses on Nigerian roads, like everywhere you go in Nigeria, see all of these buses, very comfortable buses like this. And these buses are very, very cheap. I just want to show you guys, it's IBM. You know, they have bigger buses like this. It's high time Nigerians and Nigerian government start patronizing made in Nigeria vehicles. Yes, made in Nigeria vehicles. This is innocent. Made in Nigeria vehicles.
This is IBM city bus.
So I'm going to take you guys inside this innocent city bus. Let's see what the bus looks like. This is about 50 something seater bus. So I'm going to take you guys inside. So come with me. All right.